nerdlings. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a pop-up card. So I've made one pop-up card before, so I'm going to teach you how to make it in the easy way because some pop-up cards they're hard to make, but this is the easiest one. And this is one of the pop-up cards I made for my friend Addie for her birthday. This is what the front looks like. And this is what the front, the inside looks like. So these are all the things you need to make a pop-up card. You will need some fun stickers. I have some fun stickers in here and more stickers over here. I have a little example that I made for my friend Addie's birthday. That's what I'm going to use so I don't forget the steps. You also need some scissors. I'm going to use one of these scissors. You also need a glue. And of course, for fun decorations, you need some markers. Also, I'm using some poster paper, so you can also use a thick piece of paper, but I'm using these kind of papers. So the first step is just fold these two papers. Next, my mom helped me cut out these hearts because it's kind of hard. And if you don't know how to do it, make sure you ask an adult for help. Next.
It's going to show the heart ticket?
Yeah. These are what the hearts look like. And I also chose out a princess. It's Belle. And then, for the tabs, you need to mark it. Keep the princess here and keep the heart like this. And then you need to mark the tabs like that. That's it. Now, my mom helped me cut the tabs. Whatever we marked, these lines, whatever we marked, and then my mom is gonna help me fold the tabs inward. Now I folded the tabs inward, and make sure you fold the tabs nice and neat, and then press it down, not very hard, just lightly, and then it will look like this. So then, like when you close it, you open it, it'll pop up like that. That's why it's called a pop-up card. Next thing we are going to do is take our glue and then apply it and then stick our stickers we made. So we'll flip the glue. But I made this birthday card for my best friend Addie. But because of this coronavirus going around, I couldn't give the card to her. So that was like kind of sad, because I felt kind of sad. But we had a virtual party, so then I was able to show the card I was able to show it to her. So I already glued one heart onto this side. Next, I'm going to glue this other heart on this side. You just need to put a little bit of glue on here. And don't push it too hard. And you guys can also use your imagination. You guys don't need to just do a heart. I'm doing a heart because that's what my friend likes, because we've been being best friends for a very long time. And now I glued the other heart on this side. Now it's time to put the princess on. Uh-oh. So, after I put the princess sticker, this is what my card looks like. It's green. Oh, and also I'm going to be putting another piece of paper on. But for now, you should probably close the card and let the glue dry and everything. And then you can wait for 5 or 10 minutes or 1 hour. It doesn't matter. And then you can open it and start decorating it with all your markers, your stickers, and then I'm just gonna add another layer on it because this part is showing, so that's why I'm gonna add another layer. But from now, I'm gonna take a break. Hi guys, and I'm back from my break now. This is what the card looks like. It dried a little bit. Now, I wrote it in pencil. I wrote this happy birthday Yasmina in pencil. Now I'm going to color it. Hi guys, I finished coloring and I added fun stickers too. You want to see my card? This is what it looks like now. Bell, these hearts on the side, and even some fun stickers, and I wrote my name side. And then I wrote happy love birthday Yasmina because she's my best friend, and 7 and 7 because she's turning 7 years old. And this is the bottom, what I decorated. And I also made the front. Since over here you still see these gaps, I'm going to attach this paper to this so this part doesn't show. So guys, how we attach it is, it's kind of like a laptop. You keep this piece of paper like this, and then I'm going to put this here and then put some glue over here on the bottom, and then put some glue over here on the top. Then I'm gonna stick it, and then it will be looking like this. Okay guys, now I have glued this piece of paper, and this is what the inside looks like. So, how I glued it was this green part, I put glue on it on the top part so we can stick it, and the bottom part so we can stick it. And then we just attached it together, but you should not push too hard to try to close it, because if you push too hard, then this might come off. And then, this is the front. I wrote to Yasmina. My name's right here. It's kind of small, if you can see it right there. And I'm really excited to give this card to my friend. And I can't wait, because my friend actually, she lives close to me. She's in the south. She lives close to me. Then maybe I can probably drop off the card with my gift that I'm giving her, because the gift I'm giving her is a LOL. This is the card. This is the front. And by the way, I also want you guys subscribe to my channel, stay healthy, stay at home, and click the bell button. Bye-bye.